ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 72 श्लोका 10। दूराद्रथात् समवरुह्य नमन्तमेनम् उत्थाप्य भक्तकुलमौलिम् अथोपगूहन् हर्षान्विताक्षरगिरा कुशलानुयोगी पानिं प्रगृह्य सबलोऽथ गृहं निनेथ। Word by word meaning. Atha, then. Durat, at a distance. Rathat, samavaruhya, having got down from the chariot. Namantam, who was prostrating. Bhakta Kula Maulim, Yenam, this Akrura, the best among devotees. Utthapya, lifting up. Harshat, in great joy. Upaguhan, embracing. Mitaksharagira, with a few words. Kushalanu Yogi, inquiring about his welfare. Atha, Panim, Pragruhya, then taking his hand. Sabalaha, along with Balarama. Gruhan, to thy house. Ninetha, didst lead. Full meaning. Then lifting up and embracing in great joy Akrura, the best of devotees, who had gone down from his chariot even at a distance and was prostrating, thou didst enquire about his welfare with a few words and didst lead him by the hand to thy house, accompanied by Balarama. Om Tat Sat.